This 2022 Range Rover Sport isn't going anywhere because the customer's chosen to protect it with a SmarTrack Global Telemetrics S5 tracker and a Ghost 2 Pro Immobiliser. So Ghost protects this car. If someone grabbed the key, went to steal it, they started it up, we get no lights on the gearbox, they're going to be unable to select a gear, it stays in park, but the vehicle's going nowhere. So we have a simple 1, 2, 3, 4, receive a double flash from this full beam up here, and now our gearbox lights come back, we can select our gear and we can drive away. When we turn the vehicle off, this self activates, so if someone grabbed the key and tried to steal it, you know it's going nowhere. We've also got the S5 tracker, so this has a third-party authorization. If someone grabbed the key, started the vehicle up, it didn't see the third-party authorization, the tracking company would be alerted and they would get in touch. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. You can book your installation online, immobiliserfit.com, or you can give us a call 0208 212 7393 to secure your vehicle. This is an S5 tracker paired with a Ghost 2 Pro Immobiliser.